Good afternoon, students. Today we are here to review the work done in week 10 as part of your industry internship. The focus of this session is on the execution and progress of the assigned task during your week 10. Each of you is expected to present your work done by one, include work completed during the week 10. So we'll start with roll number one. Roll number one,
Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट. ईश्वरी
Yes,
सबका
sir.
तुझा मोबाईल बरोबर कर. इन्स्ट्रक्शन वाच आधी. ठीक आहे.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Himanshu Ratindra Patil. I completing my internship at Mountain Solution Private Limited. And sir, my roll number is 1. And sir, week 10th in my week 10th of internship, I will assign with a project and task in which I create the profile activity page. And sir, I can transfer the details from the registration to direct profile page by using the share preference. And sir, I also create a dummy WhatsApp clone. And sir, as well as I implement the recycle view within it. And sir, uh, for the security measures, I delete the duplicate files and use the firewall for the safety. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Number two.
Myself, Sugan Padu. My roll number is 2. I am pursuing my internship at Mountain Solution Private Limited. In this industry week, firstly, I have studied push notification architecture and FCM integration process. Then I have configured FCM in project, tested sending and receiving message. Then I have used Zinc library to create dynamic QR code with user data. After that, I have integrated QR code scanner, handled camera permission, and passed scan data. At the last, I have designed editable profile page in which I can update name, phone number, and email ID, and also take image from gallery or camera. Thank you, sir.
Roll number three.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ishwar Sarkar, roll number 3. I pursue my internship in Lisbos Private Limited. This week, I work on setting up the backend connection between the Flask app and MySQL database. I created and finalized the database schema with tables for admin project and contact submission. Then I connected the admin login page to the database to check credential properly. I also updated the app.py file with root function and fix redirection issue. Thank you, sir.
Bhumika.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Bhumika Popat, roll number 5. In this week of my internship on day 1, I reviewed final website requirement and UI, made final changes in layout and design as per suggestion of senior developer. On second day, I added dashboard effects and hover features using CSS and PHP WordPress plugins. On third day, I copied full data backup from existing website to admin panel for smooth access. On fourth day, deployed final website under senior developer guidance along with necessary steps. On fifth day, I checked all pages and links post deployment to confirm proper functionality. Thank you.
Okay, Bhumika. Email you.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Devasri Lange, and my roll number is 6. During week 10, we have implemented drawer widget in app, used drawer widget inside navigation drawer to show the profile, use build context plus index parameters, learn how to pass and use build context and index values. We also learned page navigation with navigator and implemented screen transition for smooth user flow between pages. Worked with list file widget, designed clean navigation and settings widget with icons and subtitles. Used silver grid delegate for grid layout, created responsive grid layout for advanced UI control. Thank you.
Roll number 4.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Unnati Gajanan Nannavre, roll number 4. In week 10 of my internship, I designed a student page using list view to show name, year, and photo. I made a photo gallery with event images using grid view. Then I start the courses page and added courses information with register button. I also create a result page to display marks and photos. Finally, I made a contact us page with phone, email and map links. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is roll number 7. During week 10, I focused on backend development. I implemented a delivery tracking feature with real-time status updates and developed a secure admin panel with login verification and route protection. I also designed the relational database schema and used SQL workbench to test queries. Then I connected Flask with SQL Workbench using SQL Alchemy and completed database integration by clicking front-end forms to backend actions. This week helped me improve to my backend skills. Thank you, sir.
Good
13.
afternoon.
The next student right now.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Tanvi Malte, roll number 13. In week 10 of my internship, I worked on setting up the backend using Python's Flask framework and connected it to a MySQL database. I created the necessary databases, tables for admin, employee, and task management. The front end was linked with backend routes to handle data interaction. I also tested API connectivity and ensured smooth communication between the front end and MySQL backend. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shreyash. My roll number is 10. In 10th week of industrial training, we perform for day 1 text to speech for search view, implement text to speech engine to read user input from search view, allowed. Day 2 text to speech for search view, integrated speech to text to allow voice input in search view for user convenience. Day 3 grid layout and custom layout for adding data, created grid layout to display items and design a custom layout for adding data. Day 4 QR code generation and scanner, develop QR code generator and integrate scanner using Zinc and camera feature. Day 5 error solving session, debugging and resolving issues in text to speech and speech to text, grid layout displaying and QR code functionality. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Roll number 11.
Good morning, sir. My name is myself Janvi Mehere, roll number 11. I am pursuing my industrial training in Mountain Solution Private Limited in Amravati. In this week we perform QR code generator and scanner. My profile design and image selection from gallery. Prompt engineering for better understanding. Thank you.
Sir, roll number 8.
Ishwari Avare.
Hmm. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ishwar Sandeep Raware. In this week, firstly, I learned about how to what is meant by Firebase clouding management and FCM. And after that, we successfully implement in my app push notification. Then we learn about QR code generation by using Zinc library. I generate a QR code after, and also I generate. A QR code scanner, and then by using a shared preference I also design my profile, and then by using shared preference whenever user can register in a registration, there all these the data uh, are all these data are show in the profile also. And at the end of the week, we conduct an error session for the student who does the error. Thank you.
Roll number 12. Roll number 12. Please speak up.
Good, good morning, sir. Myself, Bhargav Pude, roll number 12. I am pursuing my internship in Mount Ridge Solutions. In this week, sir, in day 1, we ensure mic access works smoothly, handle errors gracefully, and in day 2, we add settings for voice rattle, pitch, fix bugs on older devices, and in day 3, we attach icons, test responsiveness, and connect course links. And in day 4, we check scanning logic, bind to backend, and show status. And in day 5, we associate codes with users, test scanning on various phones. Thank you, sir.
ठीक है. हाँ गुंजन, मोबाईल कॅमेरा ओपन कर. कंटिन्यू.
Yes, sir. Myself, Gunjan Chade, roll number 72. I am pursuing my internship in Mountech Electrosoft Private Limited. On day 1, implemented drawer header and use drawer widget inside navigator drawer to show profile. On day 2, use build context and learn how to path and use build context and index value. On day 3, implemented page navigation with navigator and screen transition for smooth user flow between pages. On day 4, work with list style widget and design clean navigation and settings menus widget with icons and subtitles. On day 5, use Silver Grid and create a responsive grid layout for advanced UI control. Thank you, sir.
श्रावणी.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shravani Kuche. In this week 10 of internship, successfully installed the Flux and set up the project structure, design a user-friendly interface using the HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Take a feedback from mentor. Discuss the potential features to add, such as a user authentication and data visualization. Complete the basic UI design and routing, and started the integration model with the Flux application. Thank you.
उत्कर्ष. क्षमा खोडसकर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोल ना.
Sir, my name is Shama Khoraskar. My roll number is 19. I am pursuing my industrial training. I am completing my internship in the company Mountry Solution Private Limited in Amravati. In this week, on our industrial training, I was instructed to complete the task which is given by our mentors, and they conducted the error session. In that session, our error were solved by the particular mentors.
ओपन युअर कॅमेरा.
Sir, चालूच आहे.
दिसत आहे मग आम्हाला का नाही दिसत आहे.
Sir, 1 minute.
हा सानिका दंडाळे, कंटिन्यू. तुझा माईक बंद आहे.
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sanika Dandade, roll number 18. The work done of week 10 is first day, use stateful widgets in web UI. In second day, work with card. In first day, implemented drawer header in app. In second day, use build contents and index parameter. In third day, web navigation on with navigator. And on fourth day, work with list file widget. And on fifth day, use silver grid detector for grid layout. Thank you, sir.
Roll number 16.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Utkarsh Gada, roll number 16. In this week, in day one, we performed text to speech for search view, implemented text to speech engine to read user input for search view allowed. In day two, we create a speech to text for search view, integrate the speech to text to allow voice input in search view for user convenience. In day three, we create a grid layout and custom layout for adding data, create grid layout to display items, and designed a custom layout for adding data. In day 4, we create a QR code generator and scanner, develop QR code generator and integrate scanner using Z-Link and camera features. In the last day, we get a error solving session, debug and resolve issue in TTS, STT, grid layout, display and QR scanning. Thank you, sir.
मस्के तोंडातून बोल ना. ये नंतर ये तू. हा प्रेम मस्के बोल. रोल नंबर सांग. अरे आवाज काढ ना तोंडातून. आवाज नाही येऊन काहीच. हा निधी अग्रवाल तू बोल. 21 नंबर, रोल नंबर 21. रोल नंबर 21 नाही आहे. रोल नंबर 20.
Good afternoon, sir.
एक जण बोला कोणीतरी.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sally Sagar, roll number 20. In this week, completed API creation and connected to the PostgreSQL using Prisma ORM. Tested all APIs via Postman and resolved minor issue. Integrated front-end with a back-end and added input validation. Improved user interface, tested and final successfully. Thank you.
हा कोण बोलणार. प्रेम मस्के. रोल नंबर सांग तुझा किती आहे. टाइमपास करून राहिला नुसता. हा रोल नंबर 21.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nidhi Agrawal. Currently, I'm pursuing my internship from Libros Private Limited. During the 10th week, I worked on enhancing Food NG website by implementing tracking feature and integrated UI slider. I worked on setting backend using Python Flask framework and connected it to a MySQL database. And also, it tested API connectivity and ensured smooth communication between front end and MySQL. Thank you, sir.
29.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Divya. My roll number is 29. In this week, I learned class student layout using view list. Coach page started with the fees, farewell link, and use list view. Result page design. Continue course started result page and contact us page. Create contact us with 3 branches. Thank you, sir.
27.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Arpita Khai. I am pursuing my internship from Mountain Lectures of Private Limited. In the week 10th of internship, we learned implemented a drawer header in app, use builder, text to index parameter, page navigate on with navigators, work with the list file widget, use silver grid detector for grid layout. Thank you, sir.
हा सुहानी खान, रोल नंबर किती आहे?
Myself Swani Khan. My roll number is 26. Good morning, good afternoon, sir. On week 10, on Monday, implemented drawer header in app. On Tuesday, use build context and index parameter. On Wednesday, page navigation with navigator. On Thursday, work with list style widget. On Friday, use silver grid delete gate for grid layout. Thank you, sir.
लोमटे.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vaishnavi Lomte, roll number 28. On the week 10, we learn so many widgets and implement in project. On day implement driver header in app. On day 2, use build context index parameter. On day 3, page navigation with navigation. On day 4, work with a list view widget. On day 5, use silver grid detector for the grid layout. Thank you, sir.
23 नुसती अशी चमगादड़ सारखी. रोल नंबर 23 संचिता गावंडे, तू प्रॉपर कॅमेरा कर. अथर्व गावंडे.
Good afternoon, sir.
वैशाली कुलकर्णी, रोल नंबर 15. काय फायदा नाही. क्षमा खोडसकर झाली का रे?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. My name.
बोलली ती. क्षमा खोडसकर, थांब, तुझा रोल बरोबर नाही आहे मोबाईल. संचिता गावंडे, आता प्रॉपर केला तू कर, बोल आता.
Good afternoon, sir. My roll number is 23, Sanchita Hemraj Gande, and in the week 10 diary, day 1, I created a data entry form layout using HTML and CSS, and day 2, integration using the JS input, and day 3, add more rows feature, and day 5, UI design, and day 5, the final testing of computing is JS. Thank you, sir.
रोल नंबर 30 प्रॉपर कर. 23 रोल नंबर. सार्थक बोबडे, बोल.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sarthak Bobde. In this, my roll number is 31.
रोल नंबर किती आहे?
31. In this week 10, on first day, implemented QR code. On second day, developed and integrated QR scanning functionality. On third day, designed and developed editable profile activity. On third day, performed testing and resolved errors. On fifth day, reviewed the work done during the week. Thank you, sir.
हा, मीत मनियार, बरोबर बोल.
Hello, sir. My name is Meet. My roll number is 24.
थांब,
In
तू
this
एका
week
ठिकाणी
of
थांब.
काय sir?
अरे एका ठिकाणी थांब ना.
हो sir. In this week of internship, we have implemented the future of QR code, and then we have created the layout for my profile activity, and then we have checked for error, and then we have solved that, and at the end of the week we have documented the process. Thank you, sir.
हा व्हिडिओ ऑन कर आणि बोल.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, my roll number is 32. In the concept of internship, I designed student about student age and if we added the student name, year, and college and other information. And then we added the student achievement rate and if we added the achievement of the students and we use list builder to consider the volume.
33. Roll number 33.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Pranali Rathod. My roll number is 33. In week 10, implement drawer header in app. Use dual context and index parameter. Page navigation with navigator. Work with list file widget. Use silver grid delegate for grid layout. Thank you, sir.
गावंडे बोलला का तू?
नाही सर. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Atharv Gawande, roll number 25, pursuing my internship at Monterey Solutions Private Limited. In the 10th week, I developed QR code generation, implemented QR code generation feature in the application. On next day, developed an integrated QR code scanner functionality for in the app using the camera functionality of the mobile. On third day, designed and developed an editable profile activity for user information management, and on fourth day, performed testing and resolved errors in the implemented feature, and on the fifth day, reviewed the work by the mentor at industry and documented the changes and the tasks performed. Thank you, sir.
T34.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Suraj Chavan, roll number 34. In a 10th week, day 1, implement QR code generation feature. Day 2, develop a integrate QR code scanning. Day 3, profile activity design. Day 5, testing and error resolution. Day 5, review the work done during the code. Thank you, sir.
Serial 39.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Geeta Nagapure, roll number 39. In week 9, we learned in first day, implement the drawer header in app. In second day, use build context and index parameter. In third day, page navigation with navigator. In fourth day, work with list file widget. And in day 5, use the silver grid neglect for grid layout. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Anushka Deshmukh. My roll number is 36. Week 10, day 1, QR code generate. Day 2, adding a scanning feature, generate. Day 3, design a profile layout. And day 4, enable image select for gallery. And day 5, select test and feature. And error session. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Shravan Jimborkar. I am doing my internship in Monterey Solutions Private Limited. In this week, I implemented QR code generation feature in the application and develop an integrated QR code scanning functionality and design and develop an editable profile activity for user information management. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. My name is Shrutika Pramod Vankade. My roll number is 37. On 10th week, we installed the Flask frame, installing that project feature, create the dashboard, started working Flask, initialize the project, task suggested, and feedback from the mentor. Thank you, sir.
हाँ 41 बोलना. हाँ
So
बोल
my name
क्षमा.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shama Khodaskar. My roll number is 19. I'm currently pursuing my internship in Monterey Solution Private Limited, Amravati. In this week of industrial training, I was instructed to complete the task which is given by our mentors. They conducted the error session. In that session, our error were solved by the particular mentors, which help more in understanding the app development in deep. Thank you.
41. Roll number 41. Roll number 41.
Good afternoon, sir.
Number 42.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Saksham Praveen Pukte and my roll number is 42. During the 10th week of my internship, day 1, I learned QR code generation. Day 2, I developed QR code scanner. Day 3, design and develop the editable profile for user information. Day 4, testing and error resolution. And day 5, review and documentation. Thank you, sir.
Implement drawer header in app. At a second day, use a build context and index parameter. At a third day, page navigation with a navigator. At a fourth day, work with a list file widget. At a fourth day, use a silver grid gate for a grid layout. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mohammad Faizan, roll number 35, doing my internship at Monterey Solution. This week, I implemented the QR code generator functionality and integrated the QR code scanner. And I also designed a editable profile for user information. And uh, and I focused on testing the app and resolve the issues that occur and worked on the project and documentation. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Roshan Atul Mandade. My roll number is 46. On Monday, I implemented QR code generation. On Thursday, I added scanning functionality. On Wednesday, I created editable profile activity. On Thursday, I tested and fixed errors. And on Friday, I reviewed and document the week's work. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Subhan Adakar, roll number 45. In this week, I learned about QR code generation, QR code scanners. In next day, I also learn about profile activity design, testing and error resolution, and in last, review and documentation. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Achal Kishore Jampe, roll number 43. In week 10, I designed a student page using list view to show student information, create a photo gallery with grid view for events. I started code with fees, faculty, links using list view, add a register button, then I designed a result page and add a student marks and photos. Finally, I built a contact us page with details and both of branches. Thank you.
Roll number
Good afternoon.
30.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Shravani Tunde. In the 10th week of my internship, I work on enhancing the food NGO website by implementing a tracking feature and integrating UI sliders for better user interface. I develop a foundational understanding of server-side technologies used to host and serve web pages. Additionally, I strengthen my programming skills by learning hook concept. Also, I gain clarity on how API function is used to enable communication between front-end and back-end systems. Thank you, sir.
Roll number
Good
41.
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vedika Zawanza, roll number 41. This is our 10th week of internship. First day we have learned about student page UI. Second day we have learned about photo gallery page. Third day we have learned about courses page start. And fourth day we have learned about result page design. And at the last day we have learned about contact us page. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Myself Sampada Taras, roll number 47. I am doing my internship in Mounted Solution Private Limited. During the 10th week of my internship, I worked on several key features to enhance the functionality and user experience of my Android application. On the first day, I learned how to generate and integrate QR code into the app interface. On the second day, I implemented a barcode generation feature using relevant Android libraries. On the third day, I developed a dedicated scanner activity capable of scanning both like QR and barcode using a device camera. On the fourth day, I designed clean and responsive profile layout to display user details. On the fifth day, I added the functionality to select and display the profile picture from the device gallery. That's it. Thank you.
48.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Bhavish Nanote, roll number 48. In 10th week, I performed in first day implemented QR code generation feature in the application. In day 2, develop and integrated QR code scanning functionality. In day 3, design and develop an editable profile activity for user information management. In day 4, perform testing and resolve error in the implemented features. And in day 5, review the work done during the week and documented all changes. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Date.
Myself Vaidehi Date. In week 10, implement drawer header in app, web context and index parameter, page navigation, and work with list file widget, use silver widget, and uh, create a file. Thank you.
बोल मुन्ना नहीं बोल.
Implemented to the receive view in it, and also use the firewall for the data safety. Thank you, sir. Sir, roll number, my roll number is 50.
बोल 54. Roll number 54.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Krishna Vagade, roll number 54. In the 10th week of my industrial training, on the first day, I implement QR code and learn how to implement, generate and display QR. On the second day, I added barcode features. On the third day, I added scanner activity to scan barcode using camera. On the fourth day, I design a profile UI design. On the fifth day, I added image selection feature in the my project. Thank you, sir.
Roll number 52.
Sir, I am Pratiksha Ajmere, roll number 52. In week 10, on day 1, implemented drawer header in the app. On day 2, used build context and index parameters. On day 3, implemented page navigation using on day 4, worked with list style widget. On day 5, used server grid dedicate for grid layout. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Swanandi Thakre, roll number 55. In the 10 week of industrial training, I implemented drawer header in app, used a build container with a page navigation with navigator, work with the list title widget, and also work with a contact us page. Thank you, sir.
$53.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Darshan Burkhade. My roll number is 53. In 10th week, I learned how to create a integrated QR code feature. On day 2nd, learn implementation of barcode functionality. On day 3rd, build scanner to read QR code and barcodes. And on last, enable setting and displaying profile images. Thank you, sir.
$56. वैष्णवी काळे. हा बोल. वैष्णवी काळे बोल. तुझा माइक ऑफ आहे, बोल. झालं त्यांना करून टाकलं. हा मंथन.
Hello, sir. Myself, Manthan Bedekar. My roll number is 59. On day 1, I implemented QR code generation feature in the application. On day 2, I develop and integrate QR code scanning functionality. On day 3, I design and develop an editable profile activity for user information. On day 4, I perform de-hiding and resolve error in the implemented feature. And on day 5, I receive the work done using weekend documented alloc changes. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. My name is Chanchal Ramendra Wankhade. My roll number is 60.
Roll number 67.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Krish Masan and my roll number is 67. And I am pursuing my internship at Web Media Private Limited Company located at Amravati. During the 10th week of my internship, at day 1, I uploaded my APK at Google Drive and set permissions. At day 2, I generated the QR code to share my APK. At day 3, I tested the QR code. At day 4, I done error handling and used try-catch block to handle the runtime errors. At day 5, I did documentation and commenting the code. In this way, I completed my day 10. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ishwari Solov, roll number 64, pursuing my industrial. Good morning, sir.
Himanshu, bol.
Myself Ishwari Solov,
Uh,
roll number.
uh, Good afternoon, sir. My name is Himanshu Tekade. My roll number is 58. In a week 10, on a Monday, I implemented the QR code generation. On a Tuesday, I implemented the QR code scanner. And on a Wednesday, I create a profile activity design. And on a Thursday, I testing and errors resolution. On a Friday, I review and documentation. Thank you, sir.
Roll number 64.
Good morning, sir. Myself Ishwari Solov, roll number 64, pursuing my industrial training at Mountress Solutions Private Limited. During the 10th week of my industrial training, on day 1, I created custom layout for user interface using XML and material components. On day 2, integrated the voice input feature using Android's built-in speech recognizer. On day 3, implemented text-to-speech engine. On day 4, I worked with Recycler View to show dynamic content. On day 5, I combined all these features into one screen and finalized documentation part. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Chaitanya Santosh Ravanas and my roll number is 62. I am pursuing my internship from Mountries Solution Private Limited. In my 10th week of internship, on day 1, we generate the QR code generation and implement how to create and integrate QR code feature. On day 2, barcode generation, learn implementation of barcode functionality. On day 3, scanner integration, build scanner. On day 4, UI design for profile section. On day 5, image upload from the gallery. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Bhumika Range. My roll number is 65. This is the week 10 of our industrial training. On day 1, UI design and functionality for student achievement module. On day 2, completed achievement module integration to main app. On day 3, created and developed student result module. On day 4, UI and backend for course module created. On day 5, develop photo gallery module and find integration review by mentor. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Aboli Baitul and
हा
my roll
लाईट
number
गेली
is
होती त्यामुळे थोडा प्रॉब्लेम झाला. कंटिन्यू करू आपण.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is
रोल
Aboli
नंबर
Baitul and my
57
roll
पासून
number is
सुरुवात करूया आपण.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Parivijay Bhagole. My roll number is 57. In week 10 and first day, show profile use drag head, and second day use build context and index value, and third day add screen navigation, and fourth day made menu use list title, and fifth day create grid layout for UI. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Aboli Baitul and my roll number is 66. I am doing my internship at Bisonos India PVT Ltd Amravati. In this week I created and tested
66
API.
जोरात बोल. आवाज येत नाही तुझा काहीच.
I created and tested API using Express.js and MySQL. I connected the front-end form to the backend using Prisma. I also added form validations and fix error. I also improve and fix error. I also improve the user interface and complete the final testing with feedback from my mentor. Thank you.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir. Myself
afternoon, sir.
Kaustubh.
My name is Riya Prashant Pamade. My roll number is 63, and I am pursuing my internship from Mountech Electrosoft Private Limited. In week 10, on day 1, I made the student achievement page, showed student names, photos, colleges. On day 2, I made the photo gallery page, add event photos in grid style. On day 3, I started courses page, added course names, fees, and details. On day 4, I continued courses page and made student result layout. On day 5, I created contact us page, added info, phone, email, and map link. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Kamla Tanvir and my roll number is 68. In this week, I developed and tested API, integrated front end with a backend, completed validation, UI update, and a final testing. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Siddesh Shailesh Raud and my roll number is 70. I am doing internship in Mountry Solution Private Limited. In this week, I implemented QR code generation feature in the application. In day 2, developed and integrated QR code scanning functionality. In day 3, profile activity design. In day 4, testing and error resolution. In day 5, review and documentation. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is
अमन
Rishikesh Mohoru.
राजूरकर.
Doing my internship at
अमन राजूरकर.
Private
Good
Limited
afternoon.
Solution.
Good
अमन
afternoon,
राजूरकर.
sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Aman Rajurkar. My roll number is 61. During the 10th week of industrial training, I created the barcode and also created this scanner functionality in my app, and profile UI designing, image selection in our phone memory, and the last day of week by ensure that everything works smoothly, and also done documentation of the code. Thank you, sir.
69.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Om Prashant Tikhile, and I am pursuing my internship in Mountry Solution Private Limited. And on first day, implement QR code generation feature in the application. On second day, develop and integrated QR code cameras. And third day, design and development and editable profile. On fourth day, prefer testing and resolve error in the instructive features. On fifth day, review the work done during the week and documented at changes. Thank you, sir.
71.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rishikesh Muhuru, doing my internship at Mountis Private Limited Solution. In this week, I developed a QR code generation feature in the application. Develop QR scanner, then design and develop editable profile activity, then testing and error resolution, then review the work done and documentation. Thank you, sir.
Good
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Kajal Sawant. In the roll number 40, in this week of industrial training, we implemented drawer header. Then we use build context, page navigation with navigator, work with list title, and use silver delegated. Thank you, sir.
Roll number 15.